Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So just wanted to show you a real quick live Surface Duo. So they have this at the AT&T store, and I decided to spend a couple minutes looking at it. It is a little strange that there are review units out in the wild with popular YouTubers and they aren't even able to show the device on. But if you want to go to your local AT&T store or Best Buy store, they may have one there that you can actually check out. So the only unfortunate thing with the AT&T model is that it has a demo that was very annoying and would continuously pop up if I was trying to go into settings to look at things. So I didn't really get a great look at it, but you do get to kind of see how it looks with Android. And it's honestly a little strange to see a Microsoft product with Android on it. Kind of makes me miss Windows Phone. But you do have these really beautiful screens. The bezels are pretty thick, obviously, but the device itself is very, very thin. It's just a strange device overall because you have no outer screen. There's no way to take a call with it closed. You have to open it up and fold it to take a call. And right here, I actually had to reboot it, so you kind of get to see what the boot animation looks like. And the reason I had to reboot it was because the software messed up. So it actually, I had the widget panel open and it would not close the widget panel, so I ended up having to reboot the device. So it's kind of interesting, but as you can see, it goes right into the AT&T demo, which is super annoying. And I wanted to show more of the device, but because every time I tried to do something, it would go back into the demo, so it was super annoying. So as you can see, I would try to go to change the wallpaper or go into the settings, and it would just continuously go back to the demo. So super annoying there. So aside from that bug, it did run pretty well, even though this is last gen processor and everything. You can see just swiping things between. One interesting thing was you'll notice on the home screen right there, you have two apps next to each other. So you kind of have this folder looking icon, but you have two apps you can set, and then you can actually tap and it'll open both at the same time. So I thought that was kind of a cool addition there. You do have this really traditional home screen. It doesn't look too crazy. One other thing you may notice is the AT&T bloat there. Kind of garbage, but we do have all our Google apps present, so it is definitely Android. You definitely have all the goodies that you need from Android there. This is the AT&T model of the Surface Duo, and of course AT&T had to include all of their trash. So if you do get an AT&T version of this, be prepared to have a bunch of bloatware. I believe it's only a 128 gig device, and well, you have 128 or 256 gigs, and yeah, so it's a constant annoyance with this thing. But anyway, this is just a quick look at the Surface Duo in an AT&T store. So if you are interested in looking at one of these live, definitely check out your local AT&T store or your local Best Buy if you're here in the US. I'm not sure if they're going to have any of that in other countries, but if you are interested in looking at it in the US, definitely check out AT&T or Best Buy. Anyway guys, this is a quick look at the Surface Duo. Not the best video in the world, but hopefully gives you an idea of what you're going to get. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.